Hi guys, welcome to my channel V-Ride. My name is Vinny, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to refill your motorcycle with petrol or gas, whatever you want to call it. Here we go. My goodness, did you actually see how expensive the fuel was? Freaking hell, 166. Jeez, that's very expensive, guys. For us in Australia, at least, it's very expensive. I'm not sure about the other countries. I mean, the fuel usually ranges at about $1.20, $1.30. So it's gone all the way up to 166 cents, or almost 167 cents. Yeah, yesterday when I was actually going to work, and I was driving my car. I didn't take the bike. I was driving my car, and while going to work, I was thinking I might need to refuel. So I said, I thought to myself, forget about it. It's just I'll fill it on my way back. And I remember checking the fuel prices when I was leaving. It was at around 137. So I was like, okay, forget it. It's not going to change that much, anyways, in one day. So who cares? I'll fill it up when I'm coming back from work. So and as I was going to work, there's a fuel station just about 20 kilometers before my work in Officer, and I looked at the prices over there, and it was 159, and I thought to myself, shit, I should have filled the fuel earlier when I had the chance to fill it at 137. Anyways, I missed the opportunity then. I sort of drove past, and I thought maybe that fuel station was, being overpriced or whatever. I didn't actually think about it too much. But when I was coming back, I obviously had to fill the fuel in my car because I was running really low, and I ended up filling the fuel for 168 cents per liter. That's freaking expensive. That is really expensive fuel. I don't know what happened from within 24 hours, or not even 24 hours, within like 12 hours, the fuel prices just jumped 30, 40 cents. Yeah, I don't know what happened. So I usually fill 95 in my bike, guys. I think 95 is probably the best fuel that you can get. So the first thing first, guys, you gotta line up your motorbike right next to the fuel pump, and then you want to make sure that your fuel pump has got the kind of fuel that you need. So this one's got 95, 91. The other side, it's got 98 as well. So yeah, like I said, I usually fill 95, so this fuel pump's alright for me. I'll take my helmet off in a bit. So what I want to do is I want to lock my bike, my handlebar, lock that, open the fuel tank. Now my bike already was almost full, so I'm just doing it for the purpose of this video. And so all you gotta do is just take the this pipe out from the fuel station, put it in the tank, and just press the lever, that lever over there. Press it very, very slightly, and I'm sure you guys can see how far I go in filling. Because my bike is sort of leaning a little bit towards the left, I know that when it's upright, the fuel's actually going to get level. Yeah, so that's it. Now I can put this back and lock my fuel tank. Now I can see that I've only filled about 3.55 liters, about $6.40. That's what I owe the petrol station. I'm going to go and make the payment. And that is about it. Thank you. Alright, so that is how easy it is to fill the fuel in your bike, guys. You just gotta make sure that you are not using your phones or anything like that when you're filling your gas tank. Again, people are looking at me like I'm an idiot talking to myself, but that's alright. Everyone knows what a vlogger is these days. They're quite used to it. Some people actually don't like. I've had a lady approach me at a petrol station before because I had my camera attached, and she said, "Are you recording?" And I told her I wasn't, because at that time my camera was not recording. So I told her, I said, "No, my camera is not recording at the moment." And she goes, "Okay, but if you are recording, I would like to you know, delete this part of the video, because I don't want to be in any YouTube video." And I respect that. That's absolutely fine. I would have done it if I was actually recording, but I wasn't recording, so I told her very politely that, you know, that is absolutely fine. Your face won't ever go on this video, because I'm not recording. I actually ended up showing her my camera. I ended up showing it to her. I said, "Well, look, it's not recording." I mean, she wasn't being nasty or anything. I just thought I'll show it to her so she feels safe. Anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you next time.